Hello fellow kayaking enthusiasts. I'm Muhammad Azrul Ikram bin Ahmad. I'm from Mechanical Engineering from UTP student, and my ID is 2200356. And today we are diving into the art of kayaking with whether you are a beginner or a seasoned paddler. Mastering the fundamentals are crucial for an enjoyable and safe experience in the water. In this video, we will explore the 6 essential components of an effective paddling technique. The first one is posture. The second one is head and eyes, and the third one is on how the hand position of we are holding the paddle. The third one is how are we going to put our leg inside the kayak, and then the next one is our torso and body, and then the last one is on how we stroke and paddle recovery. By the end of the presentation, you will have a solid grasp of this element and be ready to enhance your kayaking skill. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first one, on holding a paddle the right way involve 4 things. The first one, we must know what type of paddle blade that we have. Okay, on this one is the from Taupo. Okay, the second one, we need to know how orientating the blade properly. The third one is adjusting well your grip on the shaft. The fourth one is relaxing your hand on the paddle. Okay, now let's focus on the element of posture in kayaking. Posture is not just about sitting up straight, but it's the backbone of your entire technique. Okay, think of it your kayak foundation. Proper posture sets the stage for everything else, including effective stroke and control over your vessel. Okay, the first one is alignment. When discussing about posture, it's essential to highlight alignment. This means keeping your body in a straight line. We must keep our body in a straight line. Okay, from head to hip. Okay, down to your feet. Okay, we must keep our body straight. Okay. Okay, next one is about the center of gravity. Your posture influences your center of gravity. When you maintain an upright and balanced posture, your center of gravity will remain low and center with the kayak. A low center gravity will make less likely for your kayak to tip over, especially in challenging conditions. It's like when we are in a competition, we want our kayak to go fast, so we'll paddle faster. It will make our kayak to be tipped over. So we must make our gravity be lower. Okay. The second one, we need to focus on our head and eyes. We need to know where to look. Our look are affected where you go. Keep your head still and your eyes forward. Align with your design course. You must know our design course. Excessive head movement can lead to instability. Okay, by maintaining a steady gaze in the direction you want to paddle, you will enjoy a straighter and more controlled journey in water. Okay, the first one. The next one is the hand position. About the hand position, we must on the paddle, we must pick up the paddle, hold it in front of you, and check 3 things. You want your large knuckle point up and your blade perpendicular to the surface of the ground, like this one. Okay, as you can see. Okay, the second one, we must know you want the shorter side of each blade on the bottom. Not a concern if you have a symmetrical blade like this one. Okay, the third one is you must have the concave side of each blade facing you. Okay, this is the concave side. We must have it facing toward our body. Okay, next one is if you didn't grab the pedal exactly this way, simply flip it around until your hand and the blades are orientated the way you want. Okay, like this one is the right way to hold the pedal. Okay, and then you must adjust where you hold the shaft. Okay, rest the pedal at the center point of your head, like this one, and then you can see that we need to make a 90 degree of our hand to make sure that it is a grip on the elbow. Okay, like this one. Yeah. So it is the most comfortable way to hold the pedal. Okay, let's put this away and then we move out to the legs position. Okay, about the legs position, your toes should be pointed outward and your head should be angled toward the center. And then your knees should bend upward and outward. You need to bend it outward. And then allowing your legs to apply pressure to the thigh and braces. In this position, you will find out that there is a slight and uniform pressure between your feet and the foot pegs, and between your legs and the thigh braces. You may have to exit the kayak and adjust the foot pegs to achieve a proper orientation. Okay, let's see about the torso and body position. You must sit tall on your seat with your spine long and your head high, and lean a bit forward slightly from the hip. Imagine that the string is running through your spine and being pulled out tight. Okay? Okay, the last one is on how to stroke and pedal recovery. Pedaling is the most fundamental stroke and the one you will spend most of your time doing. Involve more than arm power. It is important to engage your strongest torso muscle, which is your core, and your back muscle to do the most of the work. Okay, double check on how you are holding the pedal. Now you have been ready for the 3 phase. The first one is the catch phase. Wing your torso, like you must make on the right leg position, and you must wing your torso and immerse your blade fully on one side of the boat next to your feet. This next one is the power phase. Rotate your torso. You must rotate your body. You must rotate the torso as the blade moves behind you. Follow in the water with your eyes and torso will follow. Focus on pushing against the shaft with your upper hand as you move. The last one is the release phase. When your hand actually reaches just behind your hip, you must pull the blade out of the water. Okay, the last one is to repeat, and you must out of water blade next to your feet. Okay, as the conclusion, that's all is from me on how to pedal on kayak and how to make the right position on kayak. Thank you very much for enjoying my video.